Hello techies, welcome back to the channel. My name is Krishna and I am a big data tester, ETL tester, BI tester. So today we are going to learn about what are analytical functions and what are those and how to use them, and even we'll write queries. What is the difference between all these analytical functions that is there? No, we will not discuss all analytical functions, but we will surely discuss some of them which are very important for cracking the interviews. So let's get started. Let's go to the screen and get started. Okay friends, I'll not give explanation on what are analytical functions and what are the definitions. You can read in the description box what is the definition of analytical functions. So mostly it is basically analyzing or finding aggregate values with particular set of rows, and for that result set we want to find what? We want to find some analysis on on those result set. Okay, that is all what I can explain. You can read the description about the detailed explanation of what is the definition and what are the different multiple analytical functions are there. But for now I will explain these three main analytical functions, which is rank, dense rank and row number. These three are the main in Oracle, and these three are what is the difference and how to use them. I will surely explain this. And so basically what are analytical function, difference between them, and we are going to use this table which is scott.emp. so Scott is the schema name and emp is the table. So whenever you're writing queries, make sure you write in this standard format where you write the select star from. After the from, then you write the database name dot, and then you put the schema name and then put the dot, and then you put the table name and then put the semicolon. Okay, so database name, schema name and table name. So if you have already chosen the database name and the schema name in specific, so you can directly write select star from the table name, or the standard practice is select star from schema name dot table name. So I am following the same. I'll be following the same. So this is schema name dot table name. Select star from scott.emp. Scott is the schema name. So here in dbeaver, if you are using, you can select the query like this and click on this, or you can place your cursor anywhere and just do control plus enter. The query will run. Okay, and even if you place the cursor anywhere and just run this, it will run from this semicolon to the previous semicolon. If you have multiple queries without semicolons, then it will try to run multiple queries and then give you a error message. So make sure you put semicolon after every query that you write. So let's understand what are these analytical functions. So there are three main analytical functions which I will discuss in this video. So those three are basically rank. These are functions, so we mention as the rank, we open bracket and then we're writing dense underscore rank, and it is also function, so that's why we'll put in brackets, and then row underscore number, we'll again put them in bracket. So these are the three functions. So let me start with rank first. Mention the names and let's rank them in with regards to the salary. So rank open, this will be over, let me get the from here, over order by sal. Okay, so if I run this, what am I doing is rank over order by sal. Okay, what is order by? Order by basically is order by salary, salary according to a salary from ascending to descending. So this order by on which I am putting the rank. Okay, so what it will do, let me get rid of this name, only salary, and let's do this. So according to the rank, see 800, 1, 952, 1103, 4, 5, 6 like this. So if you see here 1250, there are two values. So what he has given, the rank function is given 4. Let me term it as rank. Okay, I can't give just rank, so let me make rank k. Okay, so see here these two values are same, so that's why it's given 4 4, and here 3000 same value, so it is given number 12 12 repetition. So it has repeated the values. Okay, so now let me move to what, select sal comma dense rank. Okay, dense underscore rank bracket open close over what, over over order by sal. Okay, again I'll give as dense rank. Okay, from Scott dot spaces dot emp not empl. Okay, emp semicolon. Yes, so we see this 800 950 and goes on 1 2 3, and at the similar values it does repeat. Yes, again it's repeating. Okay, so it's repeating. So what is the difference between rank and dense rank? Why do we have two separate functions? If you know the answer, please comment it in the comment box. Pause the video and comment in the comment box, and let's see. I will answer this at the end after I complete row number. Okay, don't forget to watch the video completely. Okay, then let me give cell comma and row number open close, because it's a function, over order by cell. I'm writing the query again and again so that you understand. Okay, row number, we'll do double R. Okay, from Scott dot emp on this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 14. Okay, this doesn't repeat the numbers, so at least row number is different. Good now. So you understand, guys. Over order by. So if I want to do order by something else, so I can put here also, say by commission also, or any other numbers which is there in the table. So I can order by anything and then do this row number, dense rank, all this. Okay, fine. So this is what the answer is, rank, dense rank and row number. So let me do what is, let me combine all these three numbers into a single query. Fine. Let me copy this, only this part. After this I'll put this here. Let me move it in a separate line so that it becomes easier for you to understand. Put comma here and then row number. Okay, so let me okay, select sal. Here is the rank, here is dense rank. Okay, row number. Why am I doing this? Why? Because you cannot have this variables as the function name or any keyword. So that's why I am putting separate R and K. Okay, now see this. Okay, salary is there, rank, dense rank, row number same, 950 same, 1100 same, 1250. If you notice, there are two values. Okay, what is happening in the rank? It is coming as 4 4, dense rank is coming as 4 4. Fine, but row number is coming as 4 and 5. So here is a difference between row number. But let's see what is the difference between rank and dense rank. So as we go further, after one repetition, the second repetition is 3000. When this 3000 is repeating, what is happening is it is coming after 11 12 12. So if you notice here, this is 4 4. Okay, what is happening? 4 4. That means this should be 4 and 5. Then what is happening? 4 5, and then it is coming as 6. In rank it's coming as 4 4, and the next one is 6. It is skipping the fifth value. Focus here in the rank, it is skipping the fifth value, but in dense rank what is happening? 4 4, and it is coming as fifth. If there is a unique value, then it would have given 5. So since it's not giving 5, it's repeating two values, it's coming as 6. So at the end of the day, how much ever number of rows are there, it will give the last number as the final row count. Kind of see here, 14th row count, it is giving a 14. Where? Rank. So understand the logic. Why am I telling all these things? This is a row count, this is this. If you want to row count, you can also use rank. That's what I'm saying. If you don't want to skip these values, you can use dense rank. See, 4 4 5. So total rows 14, but in dense rank it's coming out to be 12. Why? Because two values are repeated, right? So that's why it's skipping those values. Okay, so try to understand, this is the difference between rank and dense rank. But row number is not going to repeat anything. 1 2 3 4, it will go till 14. See here, 1250, 2 repetition but doesn't change. 3000, 2 repetition but doesn't change. The first number comes first, the second number comes next, so it will give the next number. So if you don't want any repetition, you use a row number. If you want repetition with skip, you use rank. You need repetition without skip, you use dense rank. So these are the different usage of these rank functions. Okay, so in the since these are basically you are using over, okay, you're using this analytical function, so you can, what you can do, you can put ename also, any other column also, whichever column you want, like job, sal, whatever column you want, you can put all these columns. Okay, don't get restricted to, you can only put whatever whatever order by you're using, you can only put. So don't go into that conclusion. That's why I mentioned I use these columns wantedly, so that you understand, because maybe in other videos you may just see this rank and you may not combine all the analytical functions in single query also, and you may not, they may not mention the row, different column names, so that you get clarity of that other columns can also be used. Okay, so I'm writing this query and trying to explain in multiple ways so that it is effective. Maybe somewhere you might be solving some problem, and because of my video, because of this one point, single point, it might help you. So I'm trying to explain all the different aspects on how the different ways that you can take this function to use in your benefit, is use in your use case wherever you're using, while in work or while testing or maybe while practicing. So you can keep doing this, play around with this, and then a lot of things. Here partition by clause can also come. Here we have only used order by. Partition by clause can also come. If you are interested, please comment. I will also explain partition by clause, which is almost equivalent to group by clause, but there is a restriction to group by clause. But partition by clause can overpower that restriction, and it will help us to, it will empower us to use group by without even using group by. So I can explain partition by clause also. I hope this video helped you on this rank, dense rank, and row number. If you're interested to learn things in Hindi, please subscribe to my Hindi channel also. If you want to talk to me personally on an individual level, discuss about your career, discuss about your challenges, how you're going through, or maybe need some inspiration, need some ideas regarding to your career growth, there is a link in the description box, topmate link. You can go and register there, find a slot and discuss with me. It can be 10-15 minutes talk, or it can be half an hour talk, so it depends on you. You can register a call and we can discuss on your career goals or whatever you want to discuss. Or if you just want to discuss some technical concepts with me, we can also have that. And if you're in Bangalore, you can connect to me on LinkedIn and also we can meet, but that would be a little difficult. Only on weekends it's possible. And for sure, please follow me on LinkedIn, please follow me on Instagram, and please follow me on Facebook, and and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and please like this video so that I get more inspiration and make more videos for you. So thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.